Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I want to do is just give you a quick little announcement on a class that I'm going to be going through and doing for those of you that are just getting started in options and want a good foundation when it comes to trading options. So if you're brand new to option trading, just getting started in option trading, we're going to have a live class coming up very soon, and I'm going to give you some announcements along with a coupon code right after this. All right, so this class really is all about the beginner, people getting started. If you want to make money from trading options month after month, consistently, it's a good way to ask Q&A sessions, asking questions. Similar to if you go ahead and you go into a dance class and it's like, hey, look, come on in, you can try dance class, and you pay your $10, $20 and you get to take the class and do a dance lesson, and then you get to dance afterwards. This is kind of a similar approach. What we're doing is we're going to do a live webinar type of class. You can ask questions, we can interact. It's going to be directly with me. So classes will be held for 7 sessions, and you get to, when you pay, you get all 7 sessions. So if you go ahead and check out the Rise, the number 2 LEARN website, and you head on over to the classes section, we're going to do this class. It's called How to Get Started with Trading Options for Monthly Income. And we definitely need a handful of people to attend, just for the sheer fact of interaction and to make it worthwhile to do the class. So if we don't get more than 10 or 20 people, it may not be worth it. And the way that you tell me you're interested is to go ahead and register and pay for the class. And when you do that, then your name's on the list, and then the more people that we have, great, the better. If we don't hit the number, if we don't get enough people, then we'll just go ahead and send refunds to everybody that's paid, because then we're not going to do the class and we'll cancel it out. Anyways, the sessions will be live. It'll be 11 a.m. Eastern time. We're going to do them Mondays and Wednesdays. The first one will be on Wednesday. And again, it's really on the core, the basics, foundations of options. And here I give you a little bit of a tentative schedule, but we're going to modify it depending on the people that are in there. We're not going to go too crazy, too advanced, but a good starting place. And if this session works really well, then we can go ahead and start doing other classes, more advanced classes, more detailed classes. And that's really my goal, is to see and understand, hey, what is it that you really want? We did a survey before as well. And this is kind of a starting point to that. So anyways, November 20th, the first one is just going to be kind of basics, insights. We're going to go look at option basics and understanding options trading as a business. And then session 2 will be November 25th. Different types of option trades, and most importantly, the different types of trades that you need to know. So we'll look at kind of, basic setup of vertical, iron condor, looking at how to profit from a calendar, how diagonal works, setting up butterfly. So again, basics. If you're an intermediate to advanced, it might not be the class for you, but it's still going to be a good way to ask questions and make sure you get detailed insight on these things. We'll also take a look at how your trades work and understanding the Greek. So we'll dig into the Greek. So if you're confused on the Greek, it's a good way to ask questions, and how to plan out a trade. We'll look at how to do some basic adjustments and some final Q&A sessions. And if there's a makeup class, if I miss one, if I'm sick, then we can go ahead and do that as well. But ultimately, this class, you get 7 sessions. It's about $99, and I'm going to give you a coupon right now, actually. So it's $14 and a quarter, less than that, for the whole class. What you can do is you go ahead, click this register for the class, and it's going to take you over here. And what you'll do is you'll put in this coupon code in this area, and you'll just type in first class 2019. And when you enter, you get 40% off coupon. So really it's $59.40. So definitely a huge discount off the class. And it's just, when you pay for this class right here, you get all the sessions. It's not on a per session basis. So that's your whole class fee. Just like if you were to attend college, hey, that's your class fees. That's all you have to pay, and you get all the sessions there. Q&As, the basics, the live sessions, and if you miss them, there's also registration that you'll go ahead, and during the registration process, we'll go ahead and add you to our website, because they will be recorded, and then you can watch them again and again and again for life. So anyways, go ahead, check it out, sign up if it's something that you believe is worthwhile for you. And we need to hit a certain amount of attendees. just to make it worthwhile. And it's also a good way for me to just test out the classes, interact with you, and get a feel for things. And if this class works well, we can do more and more classes in the future. And absolutely, the more you hang out, stick with me, and do the classes, if it's something great, then the more cost effective and cheap I can make them, because the more people that attend, the lower the price of the class it can be. So anyways, I just want to thank you so much for joining me. Take a moment to check this out. Go to our website, therise2learn.com, and just go to that classes section. You'll see this is the only class right there up in the meantime, and that'll forward you over to where you can register for the class. I'll also put it in the description here in this video as a quick little access, but if you want to read a little bit more about the class, some Q&As, you can also check that out as well. Thank you so much. Hope you join me. Hope to see you in the live session, and I hope we're able to make the class. So if you're serious about it, register early enough, because that way we can make sure we definitely have the class. I don't want people to kind of hang around and wait till the last minute and then all of a sudden get 10 or 20 or 50 registrations 5 minutes before the class starts. So definitely get in on it if you're serious, and that way we can make sure that we do the class. And if you're not, that's totally okay. I hope to see more of you in the future in that case. Feel free to subscribe or join the newsletter as well, because I sent that out to the newsletter list for that class earlier. So if you're not on the newsletter list, get on it. That way you get notified as new things like this are released. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.